In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add labels in Trello. Labels can be a great way to keep your Trello boards organized and visually easy to navigate. They allow you to categorize your tasks by color and name, making it simpler to identify and prioritize items at a glance. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, we'll head over to Trello.com. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering the URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right of the home page, and click on it. Now you'll see two options for logging in by entering your email or using your Google account if that's more convenient. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the board section. This is where all the boards you're a part of reside. Now click on your workspaces to select the specific workspace where the board you want to work on is located. It's helpful to have the board you intend to add labels to in mind as you navigate. With your chosen board open, find the card where you want to apply a label. Click to open it. A detailed view of the card will open up, revealing various options and actions you can perform on it. Here, look for the Labels option and click on it. This will display a variety of colors you can use for your labels. Select a color that suits your needs. Remember, each color can represent a specific category that you've defined. Once you've chosen a color, click on the edit icon to personalize it further. This is a great opportunity to name your label something meaningful and specific to your workflow, be it urgent, in progress, or perhaps review needed. Type in the name you've chosen for your label. After naming your label, click on Save to ensure all changes are captured. This action submits the label you've created and associates it with the card. Don't worry if you ever need to edit it in the future. Trello allows you to make changes as needed. Adding a description to your card can provide further clarity. It might include details about the task, deadlines, or any relevant information team members should note. Once you've added the description, again click Save to finalize your work. Finally, to wrap up, you'll want to close the menu to return to your board view. This keeps everything tidy and ensures your workspace remains organized. By following these steps, you'll efficiently add labels to your Trello cards, making task management more efficient and visually manageable. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has helped you learn how to add and manage labels in Trello effectively. Enjoy organizing your boards like a pro.